Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a much requested apartment house tour. I've teamed up with Dyson for this. You can see the air purifier right here. I actually approached them about collaborating on this because I really wanted a purifier and a humidifier to help with my super dry skin, like super itchy skin and like stuffed up nose. Obviously those can't take care of all of that, but I'm finding that they're really helping. My apartment is super clean right now. It's not always like this, just so you know. But obviously I'm gonna clean up before putting it on the internet. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will be linking all the furniture, all the appliances, well, not appliances, but like all the like Dyson stuff and all the lamps and everything on my blog. So just check out the link in the description box. Welcome to our home. We have this little chair from Struck Tube, and this is from IKEA. And then this big mirror from IKEA as well. And Andrew had the really good idea of putting album covers in frames. So this is one of my favorite albums. This is Bruce Springsteen, Born to Run. This one is the XX. I think we bought this just because we liked the front of it. And this is Robert Plant. We have our coat closet, which is pretty clean right now. And this is our half bathroom. Andrew actually got this from Indigo. Just really simple bathroom, gray towel, whatever. Okay, and then my office is right here. I've got my clothing rack, which is from IKEA. I have a lot of IKEA stuff. And then this shelving unit is also from IKEA. I've got a lot of makeup and magazines, and then my sunglasses down there. These three photographs are from Loomis Gallery. There's one in Toronto, there's one in Vancouver, and then you can also get them online. I love these so much. This is Andy Warhol. This is a Jane Birkin photograph, and then this is from Paris. My desk is IKEA. And then I actually use a magazine as a mouse pad. This little keyboard contraption thing is because I get really bad neck pain and headaches and stuff. This chair is from, where is it from? Sleek Modern Furniture, I think. And then this is actually glass. Although we've had a dog and a person try and run through it before. And then this is our kitchen. On this clothing rack, I tend to keep kind of stuff that I'm currently wearing. So I'll do like a bit of a capsule wardrobe. And then the shoes that I'm tend to be wearing. And then this is a gift from Andrew pretty quickly after we started dating. It's one of the best gifts I've ever gotten. I love it. Kitchen, pretty basic. These stools are from Jisk. Andrew has put all our books up here. How long have we been here? 2 years? Mm-hmm. We already have this many books. I'm not allowed to buy any more books.
That's because you can't read, though.
We love to read. Here's the living room. We have a lot of light in this place. Here we have an IKEA shelf, which is actually the double version of the one that's in my office. I think we've done a pretty good job of decorating it, considering that I'm actually not very good at interior decorating. I used a lot of Pinterest inspo. This is one of my favorite little things from H&M. Books I haven't read. We've got some books here. This is from H&M. This is also from H&M. H&M Home has really good stuff. And then I like to actually use my bags as like interior decorating. So this is the Dyson Pure Cool. It uses air multiplier technology, and we are setting it up right now.
So this line on the bottom, this green line, tells you how pure the air in the room is. Here, let me stop it from rotating with this handy remote.
And you can also download the Dyson app.
Which is sick, and my new favorite app.
So they have a new LCD screen, which you can see right there, and it continuously monitors indoor air quality, and it also gives you real-time reports.
We're in the green, baby.
So there's 2 airflow modes. A forward airflow mode that cools you with purified air, and a backward airflow mode that acts as purification only mode.
Yeah, and purified air is the only air I will now breathe.
Basically, it has an improved sealed filter, and it captures 99.97% of both particulate matter and gases.
Look at all the science in this thing. This is amazing. Look, this is the nitric oxide, the nitrous oxide composition in the air. That's the temperature. There's the humidity. There's a cool diagram.
Also, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, it looks sick. Do you mind if I switch it to 180 degrees of freedom? Oh, see you later.
So this is our TV.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This TV, you want to know all about it, obviously. 55 inches standard. It's by Vizio. It's 4K TV. Bought it on an impulse. And
yeah, he left for like 2 hours and came back with a TV and a sound system.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I get a lot of questions about this planter. It is from Modernica, which is a store from LA. I ended up looking them up on the internet because I couldn't find a similar one, and just finding the retailers that they sell to in Canada, or you could always try and order online. And then the rug is from Rugs USA. And then we have quite a bit of furniture from Article as well. This coffee table is from Article. It's like a 3-piece set, 1, 2, 3. And then I've got my glasses from Bon Look. This is the book that I'm reading right now. Obviously the Time special edition of Harry Potter. Our couch is also from Article. I love this couch so much. And then this pillow's from H&M Home. The blanket is actually from Mexico. Authentic Mexican blanket.
It was like 6 pesos and it was the best.
It was way more than 6 pesos. This light is from Article. I love this light so much. And then we've got kind of like a Barcelona-like chair. This is from Sleek Modern Furniture as well. With a nice little cashmere blanket. I always get cold, so we always have something for me to snuggle up in. And then we have our Google Home.
MVP.
Andrew's girlfriend.
Hey Google, I love you.
Aw, in terms of what keeps me going, it's electricity, then you.
I'm so glad we got that on film. These are my favorite candles. I am fully aware that they're ridiculously expensive, but I love them so much. And then when I burn them down, I use them as like pen holders and makeup brush holders. Kate Moss coffee table book. That is the living room. And then we do have a patio, which I can show you guys. It's not the nicest day out. Pretty big patio, which is great. And then this is all IKEA furniture. I love our view so much. There's just so much open space that you can see. So we love to have dinner out here during the summer. And then I will suntan if I can. And then we've got a sliding door for the bedroom. This is Andrew's side. Got his little alarm clock that he never uses.
Oh wait, are we doing?
Sneaker book. The sneaker book is so cool.
So, I don't use this. I don't really water that. Basically, it's about the book.
Yeah, the book is really cool.
It was awesome. This we also got in Mexico. Nice reminder of my job.
We kind of like, you like skulls a lot of your job.
And
the great indoors.
Because fuck camping.
That's right.
That's it.
This is a photo that Andrew took not long after we met that I had printed. Pretty simple bed. The bed is from IKEA and it has storage down there, which is so key. We don't have that much room. Our bedside tables are from Jisk. I actually want to get new ones. I don't love them. And then I've got a candle, my jewelry. So we keep our Dyson humidifier in the bedroom, and it also doubles as a fan in the warmer months. So it hydrates the air in the room evenly and quietly, which is really nice. So I'll just turn it on for you guys. Also has this remote that just is a magnet, which is really nice because it looks nice and sleek, and you can't lose it. Okay, look how cool this is. You can actually see the machine putting moisture back into the air. I think it's so cool. So you can put it to sleep, you can put it on a timer. They have this thing called intelligent climate control where it's able to measure both the temperature and the moisture in the air. So if you put it on auto, it'll kind of just do its thing without you having to figure everything out. One day I will have a full walk-in closet with like a vanity and everything. We are definitely a Dyson household. Got our Dyson vacuum right here. Here's Andrew's closet. He wants to show you something.
It's growing. There's more up there. There's more down there.
His sneaker collection.
Shh, they're sleeping.
Here's our master bathroom. We've got a bath, which Andrew actually uses way more than I do. I love these little things. They're just from H&M. H&M Home has really good kind of like little affordable trinkets. I also got our toothbrush holder from H&M Home too. And I got our bath mat from H&M Home as well. And then here's our shower. Hopefully that was helpful, entertaining, whatever. I'm actually not very good at interior design. I really looked at Pinterest a lot for this and kind of like slowly put everything together. We used to have a white rug, which was really good in theory, except that we had a black dog who actually passed away, for those of you who don't know, a few months ago. And anyways, that just was not a good idea. Like as nice as a white rug sounds, you just can't have it with like dogs or kids. It's just ridiculous. Anyways, and so we kind of slowly put together the apartment that we wanted. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.